Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have the negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to ln number 3, ln number 3 in here. So I will put this one gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to ln number 2, ln number 2 in here. So I will put this one gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 6. So this one we change for number 1. This one we change for number 6. This one we change for u. This one we change for the u over negative number 2. So number 6 divided by number 2, we have negative number 3. So this one, we put u to the power of negative number 4. And now we have the final answer. Now we can put the bounds from number 1 to number 6. So negative number 3, negative number 3, we simplify. And now we just have 1 over u to the power of 3. And we put the value gone here. So we calculate this one. And we have negative 215 over 216. This is the end. Thank you for watching.